Okay, here is a quadratic function that does not have, if you look over here, does not have your b value, your single x value, and it's called a difference of squares, and I'm going to show you here. So let's just jump straight to the x-intercepts because you'll understand it when you factorize this. So if we have y equals x squared minus 4, if we have a look, we always factorize the same way. We start this way with our brackets, our parentheses, and then our x's. And then we look at our c term and we think, what are the multiples of our c term? And the multiples of our c term are 2 and 2 and 1 and 4. When you have a difference of squares of your quadratic function, it's your factors that are the same. So we have a 2 and a 2, and one is positive and one is negative. And this is always the case. Let's use FOIL to prove it. So here we're going to do our first terms. We're going to come back and show that when I use FOIL, I'm going to get this equation here. Here we go. So we have x squared, and then we use our outside terms, which is negative 2x, and our inside terms, which is positive 2x, and then our last term, which is negative 4. Then so this is y equals. Then I gather my like terms. These terms are the same. Negative 2x and positive 2x is 0x, so I don't put that down. And then I have negative 4. So you can see here that by factorizing it, I have in fact got my formula is the same, so that means my factors are correct. So then what I do is I take these down here and I say, okay, well, if I know I've done this right, then x plus 2 equals 0, because on my graph, I am looking for my x-intercepts. I know one of them, they're always equal to 0 because they cross here. And on this line, this is the x value. My y value is going to be 0 because it's right here. Sorry, that's a disgusting graph. But I hope you get it. I hope you see what I mean. This is how I find my x-intercept. So my x-intercept is negative 2. And I have my other one here is x minus 2, which will be x equals positive 2. So it's here. So here are my x-intercepts, right here and right here. Okay, so those are my x-intercepts. My y-intercept, remember, boy, I'm really messy today. My y-intercepts are when x is 0. So my y-intercept is negative 4. And my vertex, that's where it intersects for y, my vertex is x equals negative, I have to think here, negative b over 2a, sorry, brain fart. So I have negative 0 over 2, 1. So that's 0. So my x-intercept is 0. And if I put that into here, my y-intercept is negative 4. So in fact, where it crosses there is my vertex. There you go. I hope that makes sense.